But the first episode of Men's XP Locker Room
Yes.
was with a very renowned person. You're looking lovely, Sadhika.
Oh, see, favorite episode Honey से. कृष्णा का clout इतना ज़्यादा है. If I do flirt, there'll be a lot of touching.
Do you think a guy can be a mama's boy?
I would totally want a mama's boy if he's from Delhi.
Why?
बड़ा बुरा लौट आ रहा है पीछे से. जो एक शांत सुशील लड़का चाहिए जो किताबें पढ़े. स्विगी से खाना ऑर्डर किया, टिंडर से डेट ऑर्डर करी, आज ये कल कोई और.
The day men learn to regulate their emotions, it's over for you ladies. छोटू सा मेरा भाई.
क्या आप ये चीज को जानते हैं?
My friends were like, why are you refusing? I said, because I don't know shit about him. The worst experience that you had, please share.
The guest said that I should call him daddy. आरुष लैला.
लड़की का मकसद शादी करना नहीं होता.
ओह शिट क्वीन अभी गाड़ी रिवर्स कर देंगी ये एकदम से पैरेलल पार्क कर देंगी मैम ओह शिट ले बैन ले
और ही तो was something.
लड़कियों की बियर बाइसेप्स.
हाँ जी भाई, अंकल की तरफ से आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है पॉडकास्ट में। हमारे साथ एक लड़की है सादिका जो बहुत सारे पॉडकास्ट करती है। कैसे हो बच्चे?
मैं एकदम बढ़िया हूँ. आप कैसे हो?
मैं अच्छा हूँ। और पॉडकास्ट क्यों कहते हैं, ये नाम कहाँ से आया है?
या ये तो नहीं पता, ये तो मम्मी पापा से पूछना पड़ेगा.
पर आप बहुत अच्छा कर रही हो। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हर पॉडकास्ट में ना पौधा जरूर होता है। जैसे एक हमने भी रखा है इधर पीछे, पौधा होता ही होता है। उसी से मेरे को लगता है इन्होंने पॉडकास्ट नाम रख लिया। आप बच्चे रिलेशनशिप की बहुत बातें करते हो लड़कों से। तो आपका जो रिलेशनशिप की शिप है वो डूबी है, चल रही है, कहाँ है?
नहीं, वो तो डूब चुकी, वो बहुत पहले डूब चुकी. और
उससे
अब
पहले
मैं-
टाइटैनिक पोज किया था? नहीं,
उससे पहले टाइटैनिक पोज किया तो था, बट फिर वही हुआ जो जैक का हुआ रोज के साथ.
कट्टा नहीं मिला आपको?
हाँ, फटा नहीं मिला, कट गया. एक कोई गल.
और आप उसकी भी बात करते हो, वो जो गंदी बात होती है जो एक्स के आगे एस लग जाता है वो.
और बीच में ई आ जाता है.
हाँ,
हाँ,
वो क्या है ये? तो इसकी क्या जरूरत है? व्हाई डू यू टॉक अबाउट एक्स एंड एस?
क्योंकि सब लोग कर नहीं पाते ना, तो बात ही कर लेते हैं.
हाँ, हिंदुस्तानी तो बहुत ज्यादा कर पा रहे हैं मेरे को लग रहा है. इनको तो कहना चाहिए रुक जाओ भाई.
हाँ,
पर मैं बिलीव नहीं करता इसमें गंदी बात होती है. मुझे लगता है कि हम सारे इस दुनिया में कैसे आए हैं.
कैसे
मंदिर में भगवान जी वो फूलों वाली टोकरी में रख जाते हैं ना, हमें वो वैसे ही आते हैं ना. मैं तो अपने बच्चे को वही समझाया हुआ है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
4
वो तो-
बच्चे हैं मेरे,
हाँ,
वही फूलों की टोकरी में
सारी
लिए थे.
भगवान की देन.
भगवान देने आए थे फूलों वाली टोकरी में बस. आपकी फोटो देखी मैंने, पपी योगा करती हैं आप. उस योगा में क्या पपी मिलती है, क्या होता है?
उसी होगा. नहीं, पप्पी मिलती नहीं है, बट सारे लोग पप्पी देते हैं पपीज को ही.
अपना पपी लेके जाना होता है या वहाँ वो प्रोवाइड करते
नहीं,
हैं?
वहाँ पे वो प्रोवाइड करते हैं, बट आप अगर समझदार हो या फिर थोड़े से चालाक चतुर हो तो आप वहाँ से एक पपी उठा के लेके जा सकते हो.
मुझे लगता है कि आप क्योंकि ऐसी चीजें करती हैं, पपी योगा, आप पक्का साउथ दिल्ली की होंगी.
हाँ, हूँ तो.
इज एम आई करेक्ट?
यस, यू इज करेक्ट.
वेरी गुड. साउथ दिल्ली की लड़कियां तो कहते हैं नखरा उनके नाक पे होता है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
आपके नाक पे तो ब्लश ही लगा हुआ है बस.
वो भी होता है और फिर थोड़ा सा नाक पे नखरा भी होता है.
और एक बात आपकी लेकिन बुरी लगी. वैसे आप बातें बहुत अच्छी करते हो बेटे, पर आपने कहा कि लड़की का पर्पस शादी नहीं होता. ये तो वेरी बैड थिंग है ना. मेरी बेटी भी सुनती है आपका पॉडकास्ट, तो फिर तो गलत बात हो जाएगी. कैसे नहीं हो सकता शादी लड़की का पर्पस?
क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान की आबादी कम करनी है ना. अभी आप ही तो बोल रहे थे कि कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो रही है. तो आई थिंक कि एस और एक्स के बीच का वो जो ई है उसको कैंसिल आउट करने के लिए पर्पस शादी ना हो, वही बेटर है.
ये तो बात अच्छी नहीं लगी मेरे को. मैं तो कहता हूँ जी, शादी होती है तो उससे क्या है कि हमें डायबिटीज़ वालों को भी खाने को मिल जाता है. तो वही चक्रों में मुझे लगता है शादी होती रहे तो हमारा भी जो पेट है वो भरता रहेगा. अब ऐसा करता है कि जी मैं ज़्यादा और बात करूँगा, आप माइंड भी कर सकते हो. तो अपने एक लड़का रखा हुआ पॉडकास्ट करने के लिए, उसको बुलाते हैं. पौधा मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है जी, मैं ले जाता हूँ. तो लड़के को बुलाते हैं, वही करेगा जी पॉडकास्ट.
पॉडकास्ट की दुनिया में अगर रणवीर अलाहाबादिया को बहुत हेट मिलता है तो एक लड़की है जिसे बहुत सारा प्यार मिलता है कमेंट सेक्शन में. एवरीबडी इज लाइक मेरा दिल कर रहा है मैं बस आपको देखता रहूं, मैंने ये पॉडकास्ट आपके लिए देखा है. वी हैव विद अस सादिका सहगल. वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू ओवर शेयरिंग विद द जुमरू. क्या हाल है आपके?
हेलो, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द लवली इंट्रोडक्शन. और मैं एकदम बढ़िया हूँ. नाउ माय डे इज मेड.
बट यू आर क्वाइट लव्ड, you know that, right?
Now I'm loved. But there was an entire phase when I started out where people were just like that, you know, why is there a woman on a men's channel? So I think from that to this, it's been a very tumultuous journey, but I love it. And yes, I love the love.
How did you start? Were you always a podcaster? Were you always an interviewer?
No, yaar, I was always an introvert, I feel. And so I don't know if many people know this, but I started as an auditor. I was working with Ernst & Young, and I right out of college did that for
तो
a
जो
year.
खबरें हैं कि वहाँ बहुत वर्क प्रेशर होता है, do you agree with that?
हाँ, सच है.
Really?
हाँ, बट काम ऐसा कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा कोई कुछ उखाड़ नहीं रहा. आई मीन इंडिया साइड वर्क एट EY इज़ वेरी क्लरिकल. सो I was there, did that for a year, but I always wanted to be a writer. I always had this wish that I want to write my own book. I just want to be a writer. I want to be in the media. So I quit on a whim. And then I joined this other media company, which was my break. It was Hotterfly, and worked there for about 2 years. Got promoted, whatever. Then I came to Men's XP, and ever since I've been here.
फिर एक रात गुड़गांव में एक लड़का बैठा इनके सारे इंटरव्यू करने. I don't know if you guys know or not, but the first episode of Men's XP Locker Room
Yes.
was with a very renowned person. Very
The
funny,
Jumru.
the Jumru. But and I remember telling it to you back then also कि यार you were so natural and it didn't like come across कि आपका ज़्यादा कैमरा को आपने ज़्यादा फेस नहीं किया, so you were really confident. And अब तो I think you have kind of established your personality there in like the podcast world. But I know you have learned a lot about men and how their brain functions.
Yes.
3 things you've learned about men after this podcast of yours.
Oh wow. One, that they're great liars. Like they can lie as.
You're looking lovely, Sadhika.
Oh, see, and that's a live example. So they're great liars. They're very good with flattery, and I do agree, flattery will get you everywhere. At least it'll get you on my podcast for sure.
Okay.
And the third thing is that it's sort of a controversial opinion, but I think that men are expressive and emotional. I don't believe that they're cooped up a lot. I feel that you just need to have
Maybe
the
they
right.
open up when they talk to you.
Yes, that's true.
है ना?
Yeah.
What do you do? Do you have tricks?
I have some tricks, but I won't reveal all of them. But one is definitely, see, I think the moment you make the other person feel comfortable, right, and as if they're not being judged. Because I think on a day-to-day basis, men feel कि यार मेरे को हर कोई चलता फिरता इंसान जज कर रहा है, सोसाइटी जज कर रही है कि मैंने पैसे कमाया नहीं कमाया, नौकरी लगी नहीं लगी, शादी हुई नहीं हुई. सो आई थिंक जिस मोमेंट पे आप उनके कोई दुखती रत को ऐसे करते हो ना कि हाँ यार आई फील यू, आई थिंक दैट इज व्हेन दे ओपन अप एंड दे लाइक वन पर्सन अंडरस्टैंड्स. सो दैट
कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये बंदा तो बड़ी प्रॉब्लमेटिक बात कर रहा है.
Oh God. हाँ, काफ़ी बार तो नहीं, बट हाँ कुछ टाइम पे तो डेफिनेटली ऐसा लगा है वेयर माई आइडियोलॉजी इज नॉट अलाइंड विद द गेस्ट, एंड इट्स ओके टू ईच टू ईच हर ओन, टू ईच हिज ओन. सो दैट इज़ फाइन, बट देर आर टाइम्स व्हेन अंदर से मेरा मन कर रहा होता है कि मैं अभी.
Which is your favorite episode?
फेवरेट एपिसोड इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हाट?
Overall, ऐसे ही कि
हनी सिंह.
why?
It's a very wholesome kind of a story. It's a story that's very close to my heart.
Please tell us.
So it was छोटी दिवाली की रात last year, and हनी सिंह मतलब बहुत जल्दी ऐसे सारी चीज़ें पैन आउट हुई कि चलो ठीक है हनी सिंह के साथ शूट करना है. 2 दिन पहले पता चला, ठीक है. So we're prepping, we're on the set, and he's already shooting something for Men's XP for us right there, and I'm waiting for my turn. एंड मैंने उनसे जाके बात करी, एंड पता नहीं कैसे बट आई थिंक देयर वाज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ टाइम क्रंच. सो ही सेड कि हाँ ठीक है फटाफट 15-20 मिनट में रैप अप करेंगे. एंड आई तो लाइक मेरा तो जहाज़ डूब गया मेरी छाती में. मैं कहा कि यार 15-20 मिनट तो नहीं, एंड थोड़ा सा लंबा करेंगे. एंड कहते कि नहीं यार अभी नेटफ्लिक्स पे मेरी डॉक्यूमेंट्री आने वाली है, मेरे को इंटरव्यूज़ करने ही नहीं थे बट वो तो मैं कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. तो आई सेड चलो ठीक है, एंड आई मेड अ वेरी सैड फेस एंड आई सैट. I don't know, a lot of people think Honey Singh is arrogant, but my personal experience with Honey Singh was that he was the most sweetest guy ever. The moment he saw that I'm sitting like a sad little girl in a corner, he came to me, he's like क्या चाहिए? मैंने कहा कि बस time चाहिए, and if you don't enjoy it you can walk off. And he said कि चलो ठीक है दिया. Arun, we shot for 1.5 hours, and after the shoot he stayed back and उन्होंने एक नज़म आधा गाया था मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे. शूट खत्म होने के बाद उन्होंने सबको बुलाया कि सारे आ जाओ. we all sat, उन्होंने वो पूरा का पूरा नज़म हमारे लिए वहाँ पे गाया,
Wow.
and that just has to be one of the best experiences.
That's lovely. But
Yeah.
then people also point out that you were hitting at Krishna. What's that story?
Oh my god. See, it's not just Krishna, of course. कृष्णा का क्लाउड इतना ज़्यादा है और कृष्णा की फ़ैन आर्मी इतनी बड़ी है ना कि वो लोग तो बस आ गए हाथ धो के पीछे पड़ गए, राइट? बट सिर्फ कृष्णा नहीं, पीपल हैव लिंक्ड मी एंड पीपल हैव अक्यूज्ड मी ऑफ फ्लर्टिंग विद ऑल ऑफ माई गेस्ट्स एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली ऑल ऑफ देम आर मेल, राइट? बट ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट थिंक आई वाज फ्लर्टिंग बिकॉज माई फ्लर्ट गेम इज लाइक आई कन्वर्ट. So, like people would have seen something happen had I been really flirting. But I was just being nice to him. Yeah, everybody is different, right? तो उनका demeanor अलग था and वो नहीं कर रहे थे बहुत ज़्यादा खुल के प्यार के बारे में बातें and that is my forte. I love talking about love and relationships.
But how do you flirt? You said वो पता लग जाता अगर flirt कर रही होती आप.
हाँ.
What is it? What are the signs when Sadhika is flirting?
Oh, I rarely ever flirt, but if I do flirt, there'll be a lot of maybe there'll be like touching and there'll be like a smile and just like gazing into the person's eyes and be like, yeah, tell me more.
Smile, I think, always works.
Yeah, so just like it's a slow burn. My flirting is a slow burn. It's not done in 1 hour. So
You write a lot on sex and relationships.
I do.
What is your relationship status, if you don't mind us asking?
I am single and happy and thriving.
What are you saying?
Yes.
But ये अभी recent हुआ है.
1 साल पहले.
Because I remember when we shot that episode, you were going to meet somebody.
Yes, so it's a funny story. We shot and रात को शूट कर रहे थे हम अरुण के साथ.
So by the way, मैं थोड़ा सेटिंग बता देता हूँ. मैं ग्रेटर कैलाश में तब मेरा ऑफिस था, तो मैं वहाँ हूँ और मुझे गुड़गांव जाना है. मेरा घर ऑफ कोर्स नोएडा में है. मैं बीच में हूँ इन दोनों लोकेशंस के. एंड देन दे आर लाइक, ये आज ही करना है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड आई वाज लाइक, श्योर, चलते हैं. And then I go there and of course all of these guys were waiting. We had a chat. It was
Yes,
very warm
yes.
environment. बहुत मजा आया मुझे. And then shoot खत्म हुआ है and I see somebody wearing chain, seeing mirror,
Instantly getting
wearing
decked.
lipstick, and I was like, shoot तो खत्म हो गया है. And then I'm like,
God.
you have somewhere to be? She's like, today's my boyfriend's birthday.
Yeah, it was the eve, and I just wanted to reach to him before 12, before it was 12. And we were there, like I was in Gurgaon, sitting there at 11:25, and I was like, everybody will take care of you, but I have to rush. And I quickly dashed, and I did make it before 12, but the relationship
didn't
didn't
make. But sorry, that's all. That's the story. You were saying there was like some story to it, but that's all.
Yeah, I mean, it didn't work out for me, but life worked out for me pretty well after that. So I think, it was one of those things that when you lose something, then you gain something else.
And what do you think are the signs in a relationship when you know it's sinking?
You don't laugh as much. I think you stop laughing. And that's one of the first signs, that when you meet, you don't feel that warmth. There's no laugh. There's a lot more silence. And yes, silence is comfortable and it's important, and eventually you get to that point. The evolution takes you there where silence is also comfortable with a partner. But that kind of silence is different. It's a sinking feeling. Also, I feel that when you start missing the little things, when you know that you could have done this, you could have gotten this chocolate or, this, booked this ticket for the guy, but you didn't. You could have, but you didn't. So, when you start missing out on the little things, when you don't pay attention to the little things anymore, I think that's another sign. And I think when you stop kissing in a relationship, and that's actually scientifically backed. There's a study that I read that said that one of the first signs that a relationship is dying is that the intimacy takes a hit, and the first thing that takes the hit is kissing. Like if there's no more kissing in the relationship, it's
Gone.
Yeah.
Can you be friends with your ex?
no. And
Can
I do
one
believe,
be friends with their ex?
actually my best friend is friends with her ex, but I do feel that hasn't worked out very well for her. I think you can be friends with an ex if you guys weren't really into the relationship as much. But other than that, I just don't see a point in even wanting to be friends with an ex, because how will you deny those memories or those feelings that might just come in a close
So how
proximity?
about giving it another chance?
That's always a bad idea.
It's a bad idea. Why?
Yeah. I think you already know, you've gone down that road before, right? You know कि क्या होने वाला है. You've been there, you've done that, and you've come out. unless the reason was something like you guys moved away, right? It became long distance and so it was not working. But now that you're back in the same city, then you can obviously pick up where you left off. But I think अगर कोई fundamental issue है जिसकी वजह से चीज़ें टूटी हैं तो फिर वो जुड़ तो नहीं सकती, किसी का basic nature नहीं change होता.
And I think I somehow see that pain and that sorrow there. But how did you recover? How do you heal?
I think healing happens with time, and also it happens, when you start. It happens in little realizations. You realize what was good for you, what wasn't good for you, and the moment you have that clarity that it didn't work out because of this, then it's easier to make peace with it. So, and for me, I think मैं ये सारी चीज़ें ज्ञान दे रही हूँ, but for me, I तो jumped in work, like head first, dove into work, and
Yeah, that really works.
it really works. And I know people call it very toxic कि नहीं अपना सब कुछ
Or
छोड़ के
temporary,
काम
but
में
I think it's really मेरे लिए भी यही है. If I'm sad, if I'm focused in work, I'm
calm सबसे important, and also it's one of those things that if you invest in it, you will get the ROI. It won't leave you as long as you don't leave it.
maybe if not for ROI, but it's just like on that day it
Yeah.
takes you through that day, so why
Yeah,
not?
Exactly.
तो वो भी उसको भी मैं एक बेनिफिट की तरह देखता हूँ. बहुत सारे जो मेरी फीमेल फ्रेंड्स हैं, अगर उनके ब्रेकअप्स के बाद मैंने बात की तो बहुत कॉमन पॉइंट, और वो एज अ गाय मुझे एकदम से ऐसा लगता है दे से इज अ गाय बीइंग अ ममाज बॉय.
Oh.
You think a guy can be a mama's boy and still be happy in a relationship or keep the girlfriend or partner happy?
I think I would totally want a mama's boy, because then he already knows, he knows what a woman is like. He knows sensitivity. He knows how to take care of a woman in his life already. And so I'm to all in for a mama's boy. In fact, वो जो लड़के होते हैं ना जो अपनी माँ से बदतमीजी से बात करते हैं, वो सबसे पहले निकलने चाहिए. I think that's a major red flag for me. बाकी यार it's like baseline jealousy, right? वो it's a human emotion, you can't help it. होता है कभी कभी, I'm sure लड़कियों को लगता है कि यार हमें attention नहीं मिल रही, उनको ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है. But I think if you balance it out, and if the guy balances out, then it's good.
And what are the red flags in a guy? 3 red flags. I mean, mama's boy, of course, नहीं बोल सकते अब हम उसे.
हाँ, mama's
because since you don't consider it a red flag.
Yeah.
But what are the 3 red flags?
A guy, if he, अगर वो बिजनेस कर रहा है, जो उसके डैड का पास ऑन किया हुआ बिजनेस है, बट वो एक्चुअली में उसमें कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा, ही इज जस्ट सिटिंग एज एन ऑनररी at an honorary position. I think that's a big red flag for me, because you're clearly not working, you're not productive, you're literally not doing anything. You've been handed over something which will run into the ground, right? So one is that. Second is if you're disrespectful to the woman around you. So and a little example of this is कि जो अपनी ex के बारे में बुराई करता है कि वो तो ऐसी थी, वो तो डायन थी, उसने तो ऐसा किया. I think bad mouthing is not cool. So that. And third is what's a red flag, यार? I usually have a very long list.
आज 2 पे सीमित हो गई.
हाँ. I think if he's from Delhi.
Why?
Yeah, Delhi boys have taken a hit.
Why? सारे stocks गिर गए.
अरे भाई,
माइनस
बहुत-
ऑरा पॉइंट्स मिल गए सारे डेली बॉयज को.
बड़ा बुरा लौट आ रहा है पीछे से. There's a reason I've been single for a year, Arun. There's a reason.
बट दिल्ली में कोई तो कैटेगरी होगी. आई एम श्योर यू हैव प्रॉब्लम विद सम सेक्शंस ऑफ दिल्ली बॉयज.
यार वो जो
वुड यू एवर
बहुत
डेट अ
जगह-
वेस्ट दिल्ली बॉय?
West Delhi boy. No. I
Why?
wouldn't. I'm sorry. वो रॉकी और रानी का रॉकी नहीं
यार
चलेगा.
कितने बढ़िया
मेरे को
पंजाबी
यार.
गाने सुनते हैं, कपड़े ऐसे जैजी हैं, कलरफुल है.
यार मेरे को माइग्रेन हो जाता है इतने ज्यादा जैजी कपड़ों से देख के, और मैं नहीं कर सकती. मुझे एक शांत सुशील लड़का चाहिए जो किताबें पढ़े, और मेरे को इतना लाउड म्यूजिक और लाइक मेरे को रणवीर सिंह पर्सनालिटी नहीं चलती.
संजीदा चाहिए.
हाँ एकदम ऐसे दिलजीत टाइप.
हाँ दिलजीत. या इज
प्यारा, सॉफ्ट स्पोकन, शर्माने वाला. So that. I think I'm done with my bad boy era.
बट दिल्ली बॉयज में क्या प्रॉब्लम है यार?
यार
So a lot of women say कि Delhi boys are more courteous than like boys in other cities. Let's say they would be like, oh, I'll drop you home, oh, I'll pick you. I've done pick up and drop for a very long time.
See, you're
And-
clearly one of the better ones.
And I'm not from Delhi, so I'm born and brought up in Jalandhar, so
वो बात अलग है, डेकेड से ऊपर हो गया यहाँ, बट स्टिल आई एम नॉट अ दिल्ली बॉय. बट आई रियली सी दैट वैसे इन दिस कल्चर इन द नॉर्थ, मे बी इसलिए भी है वैसे कि क्योंकि औरतें सेफ ही नहीं यहाँ पे, तो बंदा बोलता है यार आई विल पिक अप एंड ड्रॉप यू. बट आई थिंक you think they are more chivalrous? No?
No, I actually don't think they're more chivalrous. I just think they're more entitled. And sometimes pick and drop becomes a means to show off, right? Okay, oh, I came to pick you up in my Maserati. Oh, I came to pick you up in my Porsche. And even if they don't come to pick you up like that or
और
drop
अगर
you,
बाद में सुनाई दें जैसे मैंने बोल दिया, तो then what's the point?
हाँ, and बहुत लड़के सुनाते हैं. And you know, I just feel that okay, first of all, I know I'm going to get a lot of hate for this now. Delhi people are going to hate me. I love Delhi. I have like born and raised in Delhi. I'm a Delhi girl at heart. I will pick Delhi over anything, right? But I just feel that the boys that are left, at least in my age group in Delhi, are either into drugs और they're into dating apps to the point कि उनका attention span एक relationship के लिए भी बहुत कम हो चुका है कि ऐसे दिन रात ऐसे swipe कर कर के उनका
Tinder को
दिमाग
reels बना दिया उन्होंने.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली तो उनका वो चल रहा है कि मतलब स्विगी से खाना ऑर्डर किया, टिंडर से डेट ऑर्डर करी, आज ये कल कोई और. तो दैट डजंट वर्क फॉर मी. एंड ऑल्सो आई जस्ट फील के शोशेबाजी बहुत है यार दिल्ली में, वो नहीं समझ आती अब.
Yeah, that's a very North India and Punjabi thing I think to do.
एंड आई एम ऑल्सो पंजाबी, मेरे को भी पसंद है कि चलो ठीक है लाइक इफ यू हैव इट देन फ्लॉन्ट इट, बट डोंट मेक दैट द ओनली थिंग अबाउट यू.
That can't be your personality.
एग्जैक्टली, देयर नीड्स टू बी समथिंग एल्स दैट्स वर्किंग फॉर यू इन योर लाइफ, बट वो तो चल नहीं रहा.
And then you also talk a lot about sex and relationships. And as a girl, of course, if you pick that kind of topic, बहुत hate आता है.
Yeah.
तो hate आता है इस बात पे?
हाँ, काफ़ी हेट आता है. एंड हेट से ज़्यादा एक स्टीरियोटाइप आई थिंक आता है, बिकॉज आई थिंक पीपल आर स्टिल नॉट ओके विद अ वुमन टॉकिंग अबाउट सेक्स और
And especially to men.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड आई जस्ट फील के यार सेक्स एंड सेक्स एजुकेशन एंड सेक्शुअल हेल्थ फॉर मी पर्सनली हैज़ नेवर बिन अ टबू सब्जेक्ट, बट फॉर पीपल अराउंड मी इट हैज़ बिन. So I just wanted to break that even when I started writing about it.
How does your family react to it?
यार मैंने उनके साथ, I remember this time that my boss told me and he said कि हम शुरू करेंगे, और मैंने रील से स्टार्ट किया था, पॉडकास्ट तो बाद में शुरू हुआ था, बट मैंने और मेरे बॉस ने रील से स्टार्ट किया था मेंस एक्सपी पे about relationships and sex, sexual health, whatever.
You want to name
whatever.
your boss?
Yes, my boss is named Dattaraj Thali and he's from Goan. Sorry, he's from Goa and Goan men all the way. So yeah, so he told me कि देखो करना तो पड़ेगा and प्रोफाइल वगैरह थोड़ी सी पब्लिक करनी पड़ेगी, so you have to sensitize yourself first and then your family. I remember I sat my mother down at the dining table and I told her कि देखो मैं इस बारे में लिखती तो हूँ थोड़ा बहुत, और मैं स्टडीज और रिसर्च और इट्स बैक्ड बाय रिसर्च एंड स्टडीज एंड एवरीथिंग.
उसको पढ़ाई लिखाई का विषय बना दिया.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली कि ज़रूरत है मम्मी लोगों को इन चीज़ों के बारे में पढ़ने के लिए, देखो कि कितने साथ पूरे स्टैट्स के साथ गई थी मैं. सो आई टोल्ड हर कि देखो मैं आपको ये चीज़ बता रही हूँ कि कल को यू सडनली कम अक्रॉस अ रील, इट शुडंट कैच यू बाय सरप्राइज. एंड आई टोल्ड हर कि पापा को आप अपने हिसाब से बता देना, मेरे सामने मत बताना, अपने हिसाब से देख लेना. एंड माई फादर इज लाइक अ टिपिकल पंजाबी डैड जो बहुत अनप्रिडिक्टेबल के कुछ नहीं पता कि क्या बोलेंगे. शी सेड ओके. टिंग टोंग घंटी बजी, मेरे पापा आए, वो ऐसे आके बैठे और मैं मम्मा को बस ऐसे इशारा करी थी कि चलो ठीक है मैं रूम में जा रही हूँ, आप अपने हिसाब से कर लेना. एंड लाइक अरे नहीं नहीं बैठ, हाँ तो देखो ये क्या कह रही थी, ये कह रही थी. एंड दैट इज हाउ कैजुअली शी टोल्ड माई फादर. एंड माई फादर जस्ट ही वाज ऑन द फोन एंड ही लुक्ड एट माई मदर एंड सेड के आपने सुन लिया ना. लाइक हाँ आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना, हाँ ठीक है बेटा कर, जो करना है कर. सो इट वॉज अ वेरी जा सिमरन जा वाली मोमेंट फॉर मी. But they've been very supportive.
But I think that's the thing about Punjabi dads, they're so unpredictable. मैंने कई मामलों में ऐसे सोचा हुआ है कि मेरे पापा तो इस बात में मेरी जान ले लेंगे. And when I told him, he's like, तो क्या हो गया?
Exactly.
नहीं है? What? I think it's a हवा ना, वो बना रखा है, या मे बी बचपन से ऐसा वो है. जैसे मेरे पापा ने मुझे बचपन से ना ऐसे डर रखा हुआ था कि मेरे पापा के बारे में बात फेमस थी amongst his siblings कि मेरा हाथ बहुत भारी है. So he would say कि अरुण तन्नू पता है मेरा हाथ बहुत भारी है. That was a warning कि भाई मेरा हाथ भारी है, बस उतना ही. That's the thing. And मुझे लगता है कि that probably kind of and in like I had heard stories कि उन्होंने ऐसे एक बार मार दिया था किसी, उसको चोट लगी गंदी ऐसे वो लड़ाई में. So ऐसा पॉपुलर था कि and my दादी would never allow him to hit any of the siblings because वही कि भाई ये फालतू मार देगा. So बस मुझे वही सोच के सुन के ऐसा लगता था भाई ये वाली बात बताऊंगा तो ये हो जाएगा. But I went up to him and be like ये हुआ, and he's like हाँ तो क्या हो गया. Wow, that's the thing I think about Punjabi dads.
Yes, it is, it is.
They're very tough बाहर से, but maybe they are.
They like coconuts, but उनका वो ना कभी कभी आ जाता है वो moment, like you can't predict. There will be times when he'll say कि हाँ हाँ ठीक है जाओ मस्ती करो ये करो इस ट्रिप पे भी चले जाओ. Suddenly something will irk him and he'll be like पूरे टाइम बाहर घूमते रहते हो, घर नहीं बैठना आता, this that
हाँ,
whatever.
छोटी बात पे भी
हाँ,
कभी-कभार.
तो उनके साथ it's always like Russian roulette, पता नहीं कहाँ पे land करेगा, but जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा.
Men and their emotions. The day men learn to regulate their emotions, it's over for you ladies. It's over. बस ये सिखा दे कोई.
But I think कि men in relationships learn how to regulate their emotions.
हाँ, of course. But it takes a woman to help you do that. I think
Yeah.
so.
Has it taken a woman for you?
Yeah. Because मुझे I am like so irrational sometimes because of my emotions. But I think when a woman tells me कि okay, और पहली बात patiently listens and then be like, oh by the way, do you realize कि this is, and I'm like, oh yeah, and then you connect the dots and like, oh okay. So I think maybe that, although वही वाली बात है कि हम अपनी लेकिन बेवकूफ़ियों की जिम्मेदारी लड़कियों को नहीं दे सकते कि भाई मुझे नहीं आते तू ही फिक्स कर. So that's also a problematic approach I think. But ठीक है, सीख रहे हैं हम. Let's see. But what do you think of feminism, since you are a girl interviewing so many men and you hear their perspective, and I'm sure a lot of them are anti-feminism. What are your thoughts?
I do feel.
Can you define feminism for us first?
Okay, feminism for me is striving for equality. That's it. For me, feminism is striving for equality. अगर एक इंसान इस लेवल पे है और एक मर्द इस लेवल पे है और एक औरत इस लेवल पे है, I completely support this. You know, so what I don't understand is certain section of the society wanting something in the right of equality, not realizing that the marginalized need to have a little bit more than you do at this point so that there's equal footing. So feminism for me is equal footing, and as long as that is there, I feel that, you know, whatever change we want so desperately, it'll come around. We also need to be patient, and we've been patient for so long, but I think कि धीरे धीरे करके वो आ जाएगा as
Have
long
you
as you're
faced
trying for it.
inequality in your life?
Inequality in my life, of course. See, at workplace I have faced casual sexism. At workplaces I have faced situations where a male colleague as competent as me was favored for a project that I wasn't favored for, right? So those things have happened. There have been times back at EY actually where I was denied, not denied, but I was put, तो बिजी सीजन होता है, एक ऑडिटर्स का ना एक बिजी सीजन होता है जब सारी बुक्स वगैरह क्लोज करनी होती हैं, तो बहुत लंबा लंबा बैठना पड़ता है. अब यूजुअली एक क्लाइंट का एक ही बिजी सीजन आएगा पूरे साल में जब बुक्स क्लोज होंगी, बट साल में 2 बिजी सीजन हो सकते हैं अगर आपका कोई चाइनीज़ क्लाइंट है, क्योंकि उनका न्यू ईयर अलग टाइम का होता है. तो मुझे ये याद है कि मेरे उस टाइम के एक मैनेजर ने मेरे को ही आस्क्ड मी आउट ऑन अ डेट एंड आई सेड नो. Then he asked me out for a smoke break and I didn't smoke, so I said no. Then he asked me for a coffee and I said no. And this had been happening progressively, right? After 3 times when he realized that I'm not giving into the advances and I'm okay with casual like office wala charcha and all, he put me on the second busy season also. He made sure I left work every day at like post 11 p.m. So I faced that also. So it's there, but then there are also organizations like Men's XP for that matter. They've given a woman a platform, you know, like they've given a woman a platform that is oriented towards men, and they're absolutely fine with it. And I have never felt that I'm being, that they're being unfair to me in any sort of a way. So I think it's just, you know, where you land.
How many episodes of podcast you've done?
We've shot 82 episodes.
82? That's
yeah,
a lot, dude.
Yeah, I'm hoping that we, finish 100 before
Will you
the
throw a
year
party
ends.
when you do 100?
Oh, absolutely. And, you know, you'll be the chief guest.
Oh, please. But please call me. I was going to say that. कि मुझे बुला लेना.
I mean,
We'll have a lot of fun.
you made the debut of Locker Room
मैंने
for
वो जो
me.
कलश रखा था इन्होंने दरवाजे पे उसको पाव मारा था.
और आरती उतारी थी हमने.
But what do you think of the podcast scene? I mean, अब तो हर किसी ने podcast बना लिया है. तो does that bother you?
यार, it doesn't bother me because I feel कि मेरे पास head start है अभी 1-1.5 साल का. But I'm happy with so many conversations happening around जो पहले नहीं होती थी, और पहले अगर आर्टिकल वे में होती थी जो मैं लिखती थी, मेरे को लगता था कि पता नहीं कौन से ब्लैक होल में जा रहा है मेरा आर्टिकल, बट एटलीस्ट नाउ पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंपॉर्टेंट
बट यार
इश्यूज.
फिर ना वो वाले पॉडकास्ट भी हैं जिसमें कुछ भी उल जलूल बोली जा रहे हैं लोग, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल प्रॉब्लमेटिक बात तो चलो अलग चीज़ है, बट जो थ्योरीज हैं, जो फैक्चुअल चीज़ें हैं, लेट्स से साइंस पे जो पॉडकास्ट है कई, और या फिर वो साइंस के पॉडकास्ट भी नहीं है, इट्स अ रेगुलर पर्सन डूइंग अ पॉडकास्ट, लेट्स से मेरी एक्सपर्टीज नहीं है साइंस, एंड आई गेट अ साइंटिस्ट एंड वो बकवास थ्योरीज पेले जा रहा है और मैं करी जा रहा हूँ, देयर इज नो लाइक डिस्क्लेमर, देयर इज नो व्हाटएवर, वो ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया है?
वो हो गया है. और इनफैक्ट मेरे को तो
बट व्हाट्स द सॉल्यूशन, व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
there is no solution, and solution will eventually be कि they'll realize कि एक point के बाद it's not sustainable for them, so they'll die
मुझे
their
लगता
own
है
death.
जैसे न्यूज़ की दुनिया में एक फैक्ट चेकिंग वाली कंपनीज आ गई हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आ गई हैं, वैसे एक पॉडकास्ट के लिए भी होना चाहिए, somebody who calls out podcasters.
Yeah.
एंड इसी उसमें देन देयर आर ऑफ कोर्स ग्रुप ऑफ फीमेल्स डूइंग पॉडकास्ट जो बहुत कॉल आउट होती हैं. एक अभी वायरल हुआ था कि जिसमें वो छोटू सा मेरा भाई, have you watched that?
No, what is
What are you saying, Sadhika? Don't
that?
lie.
I live under a rock.
Oh, please.
Yeah.
I don't believe you don't know this podcast. छोटू सा मेरा भाई घर छोड़ के जा रहा था. You know it.
I think I
It's sweet only, but no, I was not saying कि वो कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं, but उनको जो hate मिल रहा है.
अरे बहुत ज्यादा मेरे को लगता है कि लड़कों से ज्यादा लड़कियों को हेट मिलता
But
है
is that
women
valid?
podcast पे. यार some
Because
in some
clearly humor
places-
is broken, but yeah, I mean still they're getting hate.
I think sometimes they get hate unnecessarily. You know, sometimes you see two good-looking women sit and talk about anything.
Very
People are just
smartly पहले she
randomly.
said, I don't know what this podcast is. The second thing I'm going to hear is कि I don't know who Ranveer Alawadia is.
क्या आप ये चीज को जानते हैं? आपने ये चीज के फुटप्रिंट देखे हैं?
So you were saying कि women get hate.
यार I feel that women sometimes get unnecessary hate just
वो जब भी
for
दिलजीत के कॉन्सर्ट में लड़की रोई, what do you think of that?
हाँ यार आई थिंक कि बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया. मतलब सिमिलरली अभी अरिजीत सिंह के कॉन्सर्ट पे अगर कोई रो रहा है तो पीपल आर कॉलिंग इट अ वेरी सोलफुल एक्सपीरियंस, एंड हो यू नो मन को तृप्ति मिल गई, शांति मिल गई, सो आई फील वेरी लिबरेटेड. बट अगर कोई दिलजीत दोसांझ के कॉन्सर्ट पे रो रहा है, सो व्हाई इज इट अ बिग डील? आई मीन इज इट ऑल अबाउट एक्सप्रेसिंग योर इमोशंस? सम पीपल डू इट वाया हूटिंग, सम पीपल डू इट वाया डांसिंग. आई थिंक क्राइंग इज फाइन.
Yeah, और रोना आ जाता है वैसे.
हाँ, आ जाता है.
Concerts
Come
में
on.
मुझे तो बहुत बार आता है, मैं रोता नहीं लेकिन
मैं कोल्ड प्ले के कॉन्सर्ट पे रोई थी.
Why?
हाँ, और मैं आई थिंक उनका वो वाला गाना चल रहा था, कौन सा फेमस सॉन्ग यार उनका? फक, ये पॉज
मुझे पता होता तो मैं भी जाता.
नहीं, मैं इस साल नहीं, मैं गई थी 2016 में.
मुझे तो एक PR का आया कि we have this is cool. I said I don't want to go. And my friends were like, why are you refusing? I said because I don't know shit about him. I mean the group, so I don't know.
मैंने तो स्कूल टाइम से सुना था, so I would trip on his songs a lot.
पर
And I
अभी भूल
remember
गए
कि-
गाना कौन सा है.
यार, what song was that? Very famous song यार.
Not him of the weekend, right? Or for the
No,
weekend,
no,
whatever
no,
it
no,
is.
not the commercial one. Fix you, yes, fix you. Yeah, तो जब Fix You उन्होंने गाया, that was a moment for me, because in that moment, you know, it just felt magical.
And
So
you
I've cried. I probably won't cry at a Diljit Dosanjh concert, though I might just cry if I ever get him as a guest on my podcast, because I love him.
Who's on your wish list when it comes
Diljit
to
Dosanjh.
Diljit Dosanjh? That's the only
Yes,
celebrity.
Yes, that's the
No
only
other celebrity. Now, also talk to me about a bad experience. If you want to name the guest, sure, but I'm not sure if you want to do that. But होता है ना यार, क्योंकि मतलब even I also do this for a living where we meet like popular people
Yeah.
and of course we are hosting them and interviewing them, and all experiences are not sweet experiences. There are sour experiences as well.
Yeah.
The worst experience that you had, please share.
Yeah, the worst experience that we had with a guest, there were two of them, and we never released the episode.
What are you saying?
It was that bad.
And what were the problems? What is the worst thing about it?
यार आई थिंक कि उन लोगों को अंदाज़ा ही नहीं था. मतलब मेरा तो क्या ही उखाड़ लेता वो एपिसोड, जो उन दोनों का करियर ख़राब कर देता. बिकॉज यू नो व्हेन मेन गेट कंफर्टेबल एंड देयर वर टू ऑफ देम, दे जस्ट से एनीथिंग दैट कम्स टू देयर माइंड, टू द पॉइंट के एक पॉइंट था उन दोनों के पॉडकास्ट में वेयर दे स्पोक अबाउट पीडोफिलिया. And I was just like that you know, I wouldn't touch you with a barge pole. So there have been times where, you know, like guys have taken too much liberty and spoken about things that have just really amazed me and shocked me. So there have been moments like that. There have been moments where and I won't name the guest, of course, but I've been. So I asked the guest that, how would you want me to address you during the podcast? And the guest said that I should call him Daddy. So.
Is it a part of the final edit?
No. It was off the camera. It was off camera. I was just asking him, just that you're comfortable.
Is it
This
an
is
actor
how.
or a singer? बस ये बता दो.
Neither.
Neither an actor nor a singer. Guys, find out.
Maybe the episode has not been released yet.
But
Maybe it will
get
never
released.
be. We'll see.
But when you said two guys, I thought it was that episode Arush and
नहीं,
the
नहीं,
other friend.
नहीं, वो-
Because they also were like all unabashed and
Unabashed, but बहुत ज़्यादा मस्ती करी है उन लोगों
It was
ने.
a great podcast. वो
I
मतलब
mean-
it's really fun watch.
I had a stomach ache. I couldn't control myself. मैं ज़रा सी भी poised नहीं थी उन लोगों के साथ बैठे और वो जितना fun on camera थे वो उससे double fun off camera थे. I mean, I enjoyed having them.
And then of course there were some moments which went really viral.
Oh, yes.
Like your लड़की का मकसद शादी करना नहीं होता.
ओह शिट क्वीन अभी गाड़ी रिवर्स कर देंगी ये एकदम से पैरेलल पार्क कर देंगी मैम ओह शिट ले बहन ले
Yes, queen. Oh my god,
What do you think of
that
that?
moment, the number of people who now bump into me and say, oh, yes, queen, and I'm like, yes, that's me. It was amazing. Kaustubh ka comic timing was something else. और वो वाला podcast भी ऐसे था कि there were 4 of them, right? And all 4 hilarious. कोई भी कुछ भी बोल रहा था, but somehow it was, shaping up to be this amazing podcast where I just couldn't stop laughing. I think after a point I was not even reading out my questions. I was just talking, bakchodi.
Yeah.
And it was amazing.
And then there was another moment where they're talking about NoFap.
Arush and Arush Lela. The funniest part was कि उन लोगों को मतलब समझाना मतलब चलो NoFap का तो मतलब उनको समझ आ गया था, but when we spoke about red flags and green flags, I think I just lost my shit. It was very funny.
Okay. One memorable podcast, and I know you've said Honey Singh was very nice, but memorable in the sense कि it put you on the map.
It put me on the map. I think there have been a couple of episodes, and the first episode that really broke out for Locker Room was the one we shot with King. I think it was our 5th or 6th episode.
Wasn't it Ori? I thought that.
Oh, Ori to was something that
he said liver on your
Yes,
podcast,
yes,
right?
yes,
That I'm a
yes,
liver.
yes.
Yeah.
और भाई अगले दिन उसकी merchandise बन रही है, वो Big Boss पे चला गया है, वहाँ पे बातें हो रही हैं. He threw a party, and his bodyguards wear
And,
like liver
Inside
protection.
news, Sarika got a 200% raise after that.
Yes, well deserved.
Sorry, continue.
So Ori तो was like a different ball game altogether. And सबसे interesting चीज़ ये थी कि जब Ori का वो हुआ ना, उससे पहले उसका सिर्फ एक छोटा सा interview live गया था. Nobody really knew who Ori was, what was he doing. There was curiosity all around. And it occurred to Datta Raj, my boss, that listen, maybe the reason that he's not on any podcast yet is because nobody's asked him. And that was it.
What?
We just asked him and he said yes. That's how we got him. Imagine, it was as simple. Sometimes all you need to do is ask.
And why do you say it put you on the map?
Because it broke the internet. I mean, Myntra से लेके कितने सारे fast fashion ऐसे labels ने वो वाला template उठा के that I live, I'm a liver करके उन्होंने अपना अलग-अलग बना लिया था that I love, I'm a lover, I do this, I'm that, and it just became a sensation. It became a viral trend.
No, sorry, I was asking about King. Like, since you mentioned that was your.
Oh,
mem-
acha, King.
So it's like, why do you think that puts you on a map?
Oh, because it trended. It was our first episode that trended on YouTube, so that is, always going to be special for me. So he was also a vibe. उनकी भी एक अलग vibe थी और बढ़िया dialogue बाजी. The way he talks also looks like he's prepared. He's come prepared with like 5 dialogues in his head, and his delivery is amazing.
Perfect. Now I have a few comments on my पढ़ते मुझे हंसी आ रही है. I want you to
God.
react to those. These are some of the comments from your Instagram. One is लड़कियों की beer biceps. What do you have to say for that?
Oh God, I feel that there is potential in me to be that if I master his laugh, the one that he does, ha 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 ha, करके whatever that is.
Since you said this, next comment is girl be like पेज का सवाल है थोड़ा हंस लेती हूँ.
A lot of people say that I have a fake laugh in everything, but I just have an easy laugh. I don't
You
have
laugh
a fake
at
laugh. I laugh,
anything.
yeah. I'm very easy like that. just to make me laugh is easy.
और so अगर कोई लड़का अपना कोई बकवास जोक मार रहा है और ये हंस दी तो ये मत सोचिए कि
Exactly. और सबसे बुरा तब होता है जब मैं नाराज हूँ किसी से और अगर दूसरे इंसान ने कुछ फनी बोल दिया, मेरे अंदर इतना पेशेंस भी नहीं है कि मैं उस मोमेंट पे अपना गुस्सा कंट्रोल कर लूँ, and I keep a straight face. I start laughing and then I lose the battle and then I'm like fuck this shit यार.
same even I like laugh like crazily at so funny several years ago almost a decade ago मैं जब रेडियो में था तो मैं बहुत कॉन्शियस था अपनी हंसी को लेके तो I started doing fake laughter which is कोई भी जोक के बारे में because I was like अगर मैं अपनी असली हंसी and then everybody was like what are you doing why are you laughing like this okay next is Elvish को बुलाओ podcast में somebody has written
यार एल्विश को तो हम बुलाएंगे, बहुत जल्दी आएगा वो हमारे पॉडकास्ट पे.
3 से 4 एपिसोड देखे हैं फ्रॉम योर पॉडकास्ट नाउ आई एम जस्ट वॉचिंग जस्ट टू वॉच एंड लिसन टू यू इज दिस ओके द लाइन इज दिस कैन ऑल्सो अ लव लैंग्वेज
Yes, this is can also be a love language.
स्वीट नाउ ये तो बिना डीपी वाला लड़का है भाई तो कृष्णा के साथ फ्लर्ट कर रही थी सॉफ्ट वॉइस में आई हैव सीन दैट क्लिप भाई कृष्णा शर्मा गया चश्मा उतारता तो पिघल जाता
Oh God. Yeah, a lot of people don't know this, but see, Krishna didn't feel that I was flirting with him.
Did you check with him?
Yes, I did check with him. Not exactly ke flirt. So we took a cut when we were having that love wala, conversation. We took a cut in between, and
I
he's
thought she was
like,
gonna say moment okay then
so we took a cut, and I asked him that, listen, are you comfortable answering these questions? He's like, nobody's ever asked me these questions. So we'll see. And he asked me कि आप पूछो जो भी आपको पूछना है. Now, love, intimacy is anyway, like a very soft subject. You can't be like, हाँ तो love language क्या है, प्यार किया क्या नहीं किया. You obviously have to be, like poised about it. And, have you ever been in love? And how many times have you had a heartbreak? But people just, took it into a different era only also because people made him a sigma male in that. And उन्होंने इतने अजीब अजीब edits बना दिए जिसमें अगले इंसान ने मेरे को नहीं बोला भी नहीं है. But, to some other answer to which he said नहीं. People have just stitched that कि आपकी love language है नहीं and everything. And they've just like, even till date, I get comments on my photos came still got rejected by Krishna. I'm like,
but good for the engagement
yeah, I guess, yes.
this one इसका बंदे का हैंडल है call me a bad shooter but why I mention this is because of the comment एक ऐसी future wife तो मैं भी deserve करता हूँ
He's shooting his shot.
but is he a bad shooter
Yeah, I think you can do better. एक अच्छी पिकअप लाइन तो मैं भी डिजर्व करती हूँ.
let me hunt one more and then
अरे there was an entire era where people would call me Kylie Jenner from Meesho.
what
People would call me Kylie Jenner from Meesho.
would you take that as a compliment
Yeah.
Next one is beer biceps she was trying too hard to hit on you beware
Hey Ram, नहीं भाई नहीं कर रही थी मैं try, and he's also in a relationship, and back then actually I had recently broken up when I shot with him, and I was in a very bad, I remember crying half an hour before I sat with him because I had
with him
yeah
cried with him
not with him, like right before I had to sit in that chair and shoot with him I was crying because I had back then I had lost my dog. And I think 2 days later, I flew to Bombay for the shoot because I just couldn't, imagine being in that space. Like it was killing me being in my house without Oster. So, I was just trying to put up a brave face, and I was just trying to be like, "Chalo, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं."
okay
So yeah,
Again,
not floating.
उसी एपिसोड से एक और कमेंट है सादिका जी आपने भाई से ये पूछा था कि आप मरने के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं Did you ask him this?
नहीं, मैंने पूछा था आप जीने के बारे में क्या सोचते हो.
एक सेकंड भाई ऑल ओके क्या क्या नंबर है नहीं मेरा नहीं है
नहीं मेरे को चलानी नहीं आती. I'm a passenger
what are you
princess.
saying you don't know how to drive
I can drive an automatic on a
imagine
straight
the
road.
face of parallel parking meme
Parallel park. No, I can only drive an automatic on a straight road, and I know it makes me sound very whatever, but
yeah it's fine yeah I'm sure there are a lot of I have a few male friends who don't know how to drive a car,
yeah, and
so
it's okay,
fine.
right? I mean, I would judge them, but it's okay. यार पहले जमाने में लड़कों को हंटिंग आनी चाहिए थी, अभी कार तो चलानी कम से कम आनी चाहिए.
ये भी बात है
है ना?
ये भी बात
कुछ तो होना
ट्रू और बहुत बहुत रेयर चीज ही है ये भी वैसे भी
हाँ,
almost every guy would know how to drive.
Yeah.
Interesting. In the end, Sadhika, what do you want to do next? Where do you want to take your podcast or your career?
Podcast, I think I want to explore more. And I may sound like a fuckboy when I say this, but I want to go with the flow. I want to
True
see.
Delhiite.
ट्रू डेली आर्ट मेरे बाप को नहीं जानता मेरे को पता नहीं मेरा बाप
मुझे
कौन
ना
है।
अभी एक्सप्लोर करना है थोड़ा.
हाँ तो मेरे को अभी थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर करना है। आई थिंक कि आई रिसेंटली शॉट विद अ कपल ऑफ क्रिकेटर्स एंड आई वाज वेरी that was very new and exciting for me, you know, because I got to learn a lot about cricket in general, about people's love, about iconic moments, tournaments, series. So I think just like that, I would love to explore more. I'm sure there are more fields and more people and more interesting men out there and more problems to discuss and more reasons to find out that, you know, what triggers a male ego. So I think there's a lot more left to discover about men. So I think I'll go down that journey.
But you also started a podcast about females.
Yes, I did. It's called the
Girls,
South Delhi Girls podcast. Yeah, and two South Delhi girls sit and talk about everything from, you know, like puja part to wearing bikinis. So I think it's fun, it's nice, and I think, you know, it's new and it's finding its footing.
पर देख लो, मतलब दिल्ली बॉयज की बात आई तो दिल्ली बॉयज तो है ही नहीं जी लिस्ट में या रडार में, और गर्ल्स स्वीट क्यूट इज अ वेरी नाइस थिंग. टू साउथ दिल्ली
Yeah,
गर्ल्स.
Delhi girls are nice because they've, you know, like I think Delhi girls are tough. उन्होंने सब देखा है. उन्होंने हर तरीके के लोग देखे हैं and they've lived and they're livers.
और लड़के उन्होंने क्या उखाड़ा है? वो
लड़कों-
उन्होंने नहीं टफ लाइफ देखी.
लड़कों ने लाइफ टफ
बेचारे
बनाई है.
पोल्यूशन में उहू कर रहा है हर कोई बाहर.
नहीं, उन्होंने लाइफ टफ बनाई है
अपनी और दूसरों की.
दोनों की. अपनी भी और दूसरों की भी. No, but no hate. You know, I do think that there are
The
nice
damage has
men
been
out
done, by
there.
the way, in case you didn't realize.
Really?
Yeah, you of course really called out Delhi boys.
It's okay. I'm anyway into men, so you know the boys can.
ये है shot.
You know the pinch of salt.
That's interesting. But since you mentioned South Delhi girls are really nice, tell me 3 things about South Delhi girls which is really nice. I'm sure you think there is nothing bad about South Delhi girls.
No, yeah, I think that South Delhi girls can be superficial, but please, nobody says bhaiya. I mean, we're all like bhaiya, ye kar do, wo kar do, and we do bargain. So, you know, none of that. And South Delhi girls, maybe, you know, there are levels to it, apparently. तो
Food chain है पूरा.
पूरा फूड चेन है. कुछ अगर एकदम ही, you know, डेफ कॉल की, जोरबाग की, you know, like those South Delhi girls, they'll be like probably, oh bhaiya, मेरा avocado salad नहीं आया. But then there are other South Delhi girls like me, and I think I'm on the, you know, like somewhere in the middle on the spectrum. So I'm good. Like I would love to be dressed nicely, but I'm a bro and I'm desi. South Delhi girls are desi, so I think
That's a good thing about South Delhi girls. Great.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Any other message that you wanna leave us with?
The only message that I would want to leave people with is that हर लड़की जब आपसे प्यार से बात कर रही हो तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि वो आपसे फ्लर्ट कर रही है.
What I do is also in the end teach my guests a Punjabi word. But
Oh,
you are
please.
also, but you're a Punjabi.
Yeah.
You might know it. All this.
Let's
like,
test it out.
This one, the one that I have in my mind, with this you would not know. I know it because
Really?
this is a Punjab word.
Okay.
It's called mudka.
मुड़का.
What do you think mudka is?
मुड़का. मुंडा.
गर्मी से related है.
Oh,
नहीं.
गर्मी से
गर्मी
related
से
है.
related है.
पसीना.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, mudka is pasina.
Yeah.
Which is your favorite Punjabi word?
Cha.
Cha. Yeah.
Because I love cha.
बीच में एक दो कैप्शन में ना चाय लिखना शुरू कर दिया. People are like, why are you writing chai? Since when did you start writing it as chai? Because yeah, it's cha.
Yeah, and I also like kude for some reason. I mean, a lot of people say kudi, but you know, kude is also for women.
Yeah.
So I love kude also.
की हो रहा है कुड़े?
हाँ. And my father says this a lot, like Biba Puttar. Biba Put.
Which is like good boy, good
Yes,
girl. Yeah.
yes, yes.
Put is also I think gender neutral in Punjab.
है ना?
And Punjabi.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
Yeah,
Put,
otherwise like it
puttar.
actually means boy, but women also get
Yeah,
called
yeah,
put.
हाँ. Oh,
yeah,
तो तुम्हारा
puttar,
Biba Putt है.
Sher puttar.
हाँ, हाँ, yes.
Interesting. Thank you. That brings us to the end of this podcast. I hope you had a good time.
I had a lovely time and life did come full circle. You were the first guest for Locker Room and you'll always, you know.
That's very sweet.
Special.
That's very, very sweet. And I hope we celebrate 100th episode of Sadhika's podcast very soon.
Yes.
And I'm sure it'll be great and keep soaring new heights. और या कभी भी कुछ लगे मेरे पॉडकास्ट का कुछ टिप्स देने के लिए, सिंस योर 80+ episode old, please feel free to message me
For
or
sure.
or comment from a fake ID that I didn't like this. So that
Yeah,
was
I'll
good.
also shoot my shot.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Sarika. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you
Lovely
so
to have you.
much.